Good morning, guys. This is Rich Life for Road Trips. I got an ulcer in my stomach, and it hurts so bad. I don't know if I can drive the van today. Rich Life for Road Trips is suffering from boils, too, and them boils hurt. They're painful. Anyhows, guys, I got one in my mouth underneath my tongue, and the bowl hurts something awful. Anyhows, guys, sub up the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Rich Life for Road Trips could use some money for gas. If you can give me $10, $20, $50 to Rich Life for Road Trips PayPal, thank you very much, guys. If you can send me $10 or $20 or $50 for food, give it to my PayPal, Rich Life for Road Trips, Gmail. Anyhows, guys, the ulcer in my stomach hurts something awful. It's so painful. And I got a boil underneath my tongue, and it hurts so bad. And it's burning. It's burning. It's flaming. It hurts so bad. Anyhows, guys, I gotta go. I gotta take some Tylenol for my ulcer. Take some Tylenol for the boil underneath my tongue. Hurts so goddamn bad. Bye, guys. I gotta go.